Welcome to our guide on developing a smart garden planning app. Today, we'll explore essential resources to help you create a thriving garden. First, let's dive into some must-read books. All New Square Foot Gardening by Mel Bartholomew offers a comprehensive guide to square foot gardening. For vegetable gardening enthusiasts, The Vegetable Gardener's Bible by Edward C. Smith is a treasure trove of information on soil preparation, composting, and pest control. Podcasts are another great resource. The Joe Gardener Show by Joe Lample features expert interviews on various gardening topics, including planting guides and crop rotation. YouTube videos can also be incredibly helpful. How to Start a Garden, a beginner's guide by Grow Veg covers everything from selecting the right location to watering. AI tools like Gardenize and Garden Compass offer machine learning-based planting guides, reminders, and weather alerts, making garden management a breeze. Online courses provide structured learning. The Complete Gardening course on Udemy covers a wide range of topics from selecting plants to soil preparation. With these resources, you're well equipped to develop a smart garden planning app that will help users create and maintain beautiful, productive gardens. Happy gardening!